Good day, sir. I'm here to present my work on Activity 9A. So we are tasked to create an app that computes the student average grade, student average grade. So the user will have to input the name, the math grade, science grade, and English grade of the student, and we have to create a class named student, and we will use the init function to collect the information from the user. So create a function that will perform the computation of the average. So you have to create that, and also create a function that will display the results in this following manner. So sa code, sir, I the first thing I did was just like in the construction, create a student class, and then create an init method sa student class with the values with the student name, with the student name, student grade, math grade, science, and English grade for that class. So none is that. I also create a function to compute the average score. So in compute, it returns a arguments. It returns arguments nga results sa kaning computation. Plus na to ang tulo ka grade and divided by 3. So manas dyan ang sod sa compute average nga function. Next is the function to print the result. So printing the results. I use a string formatting nga atong method nga atong gibuhat in the previous activity. So manay nga ang pagmanidya. And I also created a variable to hold the computed average value. So kani I set this into private ni siya, as you can see. I set this into private kay unhiram ni siya nga class. So access modifier ni siya. So and then ang average grade is computed using self kaning compute average nga method. And also also I have a conditional statement here na mo determine if passed ba or failed ang grade. So sa atong main code, we asked for the user input name, for the username, and then we asked the user for math, science, and English grades. So kani si sir if I also kanang put conditional statement diri nga if the user enters grade that is greater than 100 or a value that is less than 0, it would raise a value error exception. This is same as with the grade for science and English. And finally, we 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 instantiated an object for atong student class here sa line 49. Instantiated that we passed arguments sa atong class with ang user input name, user input kaning with these values para atong modify ang kani sila ang value nga gihold ani mga variables, and then we print the results. We call the print result function. So for this program, I just used a value error exception handling, and then just like our practice, it continues siya if mo triggers yung error, and then if we have nang successfully executed our program, then we break the loop. So we testing nga to. Okay. Testing nga na to. So name, it asks for a name. And so math grade na to, I would say like 45. Science like 3. English like 78. So it displays our result and computes ang average nato and decides if failed ba siya or success. Well, how about we try that again. Then this time with a higher grade na. So we have 70, then total 90, and 85. 85. So finally we have a passing grade na. Ni. I did not demonstrate the example of another module here kay I just shortcut na ako. But mo to. I've also added comments sa akong code para masabtan unsa na siya nga part ijang gi-play sa atong program. And mo to sir. Thank you.